Hi, so my tech bite number 4, technology and assessment. My tech tool is Socrative. I first learned about this tool in a soils class that I took last fall, and it was pretty interesting. He definitely incorporated it mainly at the end of class to kind of check for our understanding, and then we could write a question if we had any from that lecture or past lectures, and he would talk about it the following um, class period. So I thought it was pretty quick and easy and fun to do. So scrolling down here, the kind of hardware that is needed, you can either use computer, laptop, tablets, or phone. So it's very versatile, but it would definitely need to be like on a one-to-one basis. Or could potentially be used for like groups if you only have one for like a group of 4 or something like that. It could be used in that way as well. So it has a couple different things here. So there's activities that engage students. Um, that's the fun part. You can see in real time kind of who is responding and what those answers are. So you can do a quiz, a space race, an exit ticket. You can choose from like make multiple choice questions, true, false, short answer. So it's very versatile as far as if you just want a quick response to see where the class is at, or if you want to like kind of understand where they're coming from, or even have them put in a question of their own. So quizzes are a little bit like here. You can have multiple for multiple classes, which is kind of nice. You can share it with other teachers. You can edit them if needed. Reporting is also kind of fun, so you can see in real time, um, you know, how students are understanding. Let's just say, a majority of the class gets it wrong, then you can see where they're struggling. Or if there's only a couple students, they can, it's easily quick and easy to point those out instead of like going through a bunch of papers and picking it out that way. So I think that's really fun. Rooms, if you have multiple rooms that you go to, I think this also might be for like different classes that you could do. Um, you could easily make it very simple as far as, if it's available or not. So results, this was another kind of real time, this was question 1, did they get it right or wrong? And 2, 3, 4. So over here, student experience. So you can easily get feedback from them. And the fun part is like you can see here, it doesn't necessarily have to be just written words. It can be formulas if you're in a math class, or calculation in an agriculture class that you're trying to have them do, or pictures, whether it be for crops, animals, anything like that. So that's kind of one example of classroom implementation. I think this would be easily implemented in probably middle school through high school, and you can probably towards the high school maybe implement more short answers within the activity. Like I said before, you could also use it for groups, so that would be fun for like the space race. So it'd be like fun competition among groups to see where they are at. Who's answering the questions the fastest. I'd maybe just be a little more careful and know your class to see if this would be a good or bad thing. So yeah, overall, I think it'd be very effective to gauge students' understanding of the material in a quick manner, easily implemented either in the middle of class to see if you need to go through anything, or definitely at the end of class, or even at the beginning of class to see what they have remembered from previous class periods. So yeah, overall, I think Socrative is a great tool to use, and I look forward to using it hopefully eventually in one of my classes. Thanks.